Welcome back. Today I'd like to talk about how we can incorporate adult learning theory into the workshops that we facilitate. While workshop facilitation is very different than classroom instruction, the very best workshop facilitators understand adult learning theory and how to bring it into their workshops. Let's talk about a simple model and how we can incorporate it today. Close to 100 years ago, psychologists determined that people process information in one of three primary ways: visually, auditorily, or kinesthetically. In fact, they call this the VAC, Adult Learning Theory Model. Let's talk about each one of these in turn, and then we'll talk about how we leverage this information. Visual learners usually process information best that's in pictures, charts, and graphs. They often will have a mental image of the material that's being discussed. Auditory learners actually learn best by being able to hear, and also they're usually pretty good at presenting and speaking. Kinesthetic learners are those that really like to get up, to move around, and to touch and feel, interact physically with the material. These are often those folks who really struggle to sit still for very long. Now, while the research says that we all process information through all three of these, it also says that each one of us has a primary preference for one of three different learning styles. So what can we as workshop facilitators do to leverage this information into our workshops? The answer is pretty simple. Mix it up. Create variety. Be intentional. For those visual learners, create a briefing book that they can flip through and reference as they need to. For those auditory learners, give them opportunities for breakout rooms where they can talk and listen to each other, and then to present back to the rest of the room. For kinesthetic learners, give them opportunities to get up, move about, rotate from table to table or flip chart to flip chart. By being tuned into the fact that you are going to have people that will process the same information in very different ways, as a workshop facilitator, you can be intentional about creating environments where everybody has an opportunity to work in a way that best suits their style. And by doing that, you can really maximize engagement and the quality of the output. Thank you.